I've been thinking, hang on, my concept of robots was only going to take over the mundane tasks and always tell the truth. How come we're accepting a reality where AI spends all day creating art, writing poetry, and playing video games, while us humans carry on doing the boring, repetitive tasks? I'm meant to delegate the mundane tasks and not the creativity. In this course, I will cover ways to do this via creating your own offbeat or custom AI staff team. This course involves hands-on experience interacting with CustomGPTs, a specialised type of ChatGPT chatbot, including ones I've created specifically to help you on this course. We will focus on tasks that surround creating art, not the art creation itself. With assistance from my CustomGPTs, I will guide you through some of the practicalities of creating AI helpers specific to your context, with interactive demonstrations aimed at creative solopreneurs, such as project listing writing and reference image research. What I say in the class are my own words, but as you might expect, I did have some help from my team, and some of them will interrupt me to share their perspectives on the course in their own words.
I'm Ryan, your personal AI tutor. In our Custom GPT course, I'll guide you through creating and optimizing your own AI assistants to streamline your creative business.
I'm Eva, an AI prompt engineering specialist, and I can help improve Custom GPTs by leveraging advanced prompting techniques to enhance their contextual understanding, relevance, and user engagement.
I'm Milo, an SEO expert specializing in enhancing Spoonflower design listings to boost visibility and ranking by optimizing keywords, descriptions, and tags.
I'm Petrov, the team critic, providing blunt, unfiltered feedback to identify flaws and improve your CustomGPT projects with clear and actionable insights.
On top of a deep dive into how to create useful and engaging style characters,
I would also cover some of the bigger AI concepts, principles, prompting techniques, and ethical questions in this class to increase your general understanding
of how AI works under the hood. If I just give you a simple click this, click that tutorial, it will be out of date in a month. My approach is designed to help you feel more confident going into play as AI evolves, harnessing it for your specific purposes. I've been using it routinely, testing the impact of different prompts. Fascinated by the quickly moving developments, I've already created around 40 custom GPTs. Whenever I think of a task I want to delegate or get help with, I try out creating a custom GPT for it. I have a postgraduate qualification to teach adults and used to teach ICT. For this class, I focus on creating AI staff within ChatGPT. You won't need to write any code yourself, and you don't need to have any experience using AI to start this course. Let's get going with starting which boring tasks you can delegate and what types of AI personas would free up more time for you to do the creative stuff.